Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lock Picking. Today I have a challenge lock and this is from Bearsback, number 21. This is a Taylor lock and I don't know what kind of blank that is. Anyways, let's see if I can get into this guy. I've not picked this lock yet. I haven't even stuck a pick in it. So, let's see. Let's see. Looks like a pretty narrow keyway. I don't know if I can how this is going. It's like that keyway wants to go counter. I'm gonna try it. See what happens. Okay, feels like I've got to click on about number 3. Maybe a little click on 1, I don't know. Maybe. I believe this is 5-pin lock. He could have snuck another pin in there. We'll find out. Bearsback sneaky like that, you know. He makes some tough locks. Seemed like the cylinder wanted to go counter. That's why I chose to try to go that way, but this may be the whole wrong thing to do. Okay, feels like we've got to click on 3, possibly 4. Now, looking at the key over there, it looks like a gatekeeper on number 2. I already said it, right? Can't seem to get anything to move. So I may have went in the wrong direction. I don't know. Looks like I got a little fault set going on, but Okay, gotta find me a deeper hook. Let's try this one here. I think that might be the ticket. Okay, get a little click out of number 1 and a little bit of turn on the core from it. Okay, a little bit more. A pretty good bolt set going on. Alright, got it. Cool. Not too bad. 6 minutes for a Bearsback. Okay, let's see about getting this. Finding me a tray here. Okay, we got the key, works good. So I'm going to go ahead and close it up. And we need a flat blade screwdriver. Got one right here. Well, I feel pretty good about that, considering it's a Bearsback. Yeah, let's see here. Got a nice big shim. See if it'll fit in there. Ooh, dented it. Don't like doing that. Probably got stuck on something. And don't go any farther. Try this other one. See if that's gonna do any better. Sneak up on the side. There we go. Gotta do the sneak. Okay. Got a follower here. Alright. Here we go, guys. Well, it is a 5-pinner, and I do see a spool key pin there. Let's see what we got. I don't even have this light on, do I? See if that helps. This one just jumped out. I know that was a number 2. I saw it sticking up. Okay. And here's my tweezers. I got too much stuff on the table here. Now, what have we got in here? It's all stock. That's nice looking. It's an unusual looking spring. That's weird. I gotta put my other glasses on. I can't see what I'm doing. Something looks odd. Oh. Ah, what a ding dong. I had that shim in the way. I pulled it out and then the other driver jumped out of there. Okay. Those look like some pretty old springs. This must be pretty old Taylor. Beautiful. That is a beautiful pen. Go around the other way. Ooh-wee. No, that looks like a cone. And that's a big old steel spring there. Totally different. And here comes. Wow. That's all I can say is wow on that one. Okay, spring, where are you? You guys see a spring come out? Well, let's see if I can get in there and find it. Here it is. It was hiding. Little bitty guy. Here it goes. So let's look in the Bible. Stock. No modifications. Okay. Let's get this propped up here and I'll show you what's in Bearsback's number 21. Those are some good looking pens there. Sorry guys. And it's funny, I'm looking at my camera lens and looks like this pinning tray is blue, but it's really purple. It's probably just my camera, I guess. I'm gonna put these springs down here. I'm not getting them in frame. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Put them right there. Those are good looking pens, Bearsback. Okay, there they are. The key pins are all standard except for one, and it's a spool. Here we go. It's a nice spool there. And the drivers are very unusual. This one looks like a spool, but it's got a T-pin on the end of it. Next one's standard. The third one is like a spool, but it has 3 deep serrations in it. Number 4 is very deep serrations. The bottom has a very sharp lip on it. And this one is shaped like a cone. Sure you can see that very well. So anyways, that was Bearsback number 21. Thank you, Bearsback, for sending this out into the community for all of us to enjoy. And thank you everyone for tuning in and watching my channel. Come back. Bye-bye.